Hello and welcome everyone. Recently, a big revolutionary IT company Onpassive was in news. In fact, in January this year, one of the busiest metro stations in Dubai was named after Onpassive. So you might be curious enough to know what exactly this company is and why it is so popular. So today I would like to explain here in details what exactly this company is. So in fact, OnPassive is an AI based organization that develops unique and transformative business applications. Its mission is to deliver innovative and technology driven workforce solutions for your businesses. We in fact OnPassive is an advanced artificial intelligence or information technology based company with over 50 digital mega products that each is worth over $1 billion, which will be making much accessibility services in all types of businesses on earth. OnPassive is in fact one stop shop digital company for all your online and marketing needs. Whatever you need, this company has it all for personal, businesses, social communication, education, online marketing traffic, human resources, and massive transformation where everyone succeeds without selling and referring others anything anywhere. Quality of such mega tools are beyond your imaginations. Yes, believe me. Once you will get to know once you use it. It will be able to assist human being in their job improvement and so thereby it will improve your life. This company has got four offices across the world. One of the office is in Orlando, US, and second one is in Singapore, and third one is in Dubai, in Burj Khalifa itself, and fourth one is in Hyderabad. And recently, 1 or 2 days ago, a new office has been opened in Egypt. So it's a very big and revolutionary company. Although this company has got more than 50 mega revolutionary products, some products have already been launched and some are in pipeline that you will enjoy in coming future. So there are some products that you can use completely free, like Omail. Omail is an artificial intelligence powered email service. Another one is Onet. Onet is a social media service powered by artificial intelligence like Facebook or um, other social platform. And third one is OTrim. OTrim is in fact a link shortener, artificial intelligence rich link shortcut software. It is. And another mega revolutionary product is OConnect. OConnect connecting the world in an instant. In fact, OConnect is an AI powered HD audio and video conferencing tool. The feature rich OConnect provides exceptional audio and video conference to connect and share the knowledge from one part of to another part of the world virtually. OConnect provides high-quality multi-channels interactions with global users, benefiting them to communicate with each other without any digital disturbance. Some of the main features of this OConnect is presentation, that you mm, can present your file, you can present your PPT while conducting meeting on this platform, conducting webinar on this platform. Another one is whiteboard. You can use whiteboard to explain things. You can capture screens. You can react in different ways on this platform. You can check history as well. You can record the meeting, and you can go later on. And prompter background music is one of the great features that you can enjoy it very well. And theme, you can use virtual themes in different ways, attractive themes in fact. Resounds, you can clap there in like it will give you an experience like you are conducting meeting in a real seminar hall. And you can conduct poll as well. So there are many more features in this video conferencing tool that you might not be getting anywhere else. There are a number of video conferencing tools in fact, like Zoom, Google Meet, and blah blah blah, but you will definitely enjoy, and you will definitely get another level of experience once you start start using it. So a link of this ecosystem has been provided in the descriptions, and you can go and register for free, and you can use 14 days trial of this webinar platform OConnect. And what the great thing is that you can start meeting with 500 people for 90 minutes for free in 14 days trial period. And later on some charge, you will have to pay some charges that is yet to be announced in coming days recently. So in order to experience this massive revolutionary OConnect webinar tool, you just have to register the link that has been given in the descriptions, and just open the link and fill up the form, and then go to my affiliate link, and a form will appear in which you have to sign with your fingers in the last of the form. Then go to marketplace and click on 14 days free trial, and enjoy 14 days trial period of this revolutionary webinar tool, and you will definitely will be getting another level of experience that. And I would be glad if you share your experience with me. So friends, if you find this video to be informative, and I would request you to subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you very much.